Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today let's talk about BAT USDT. I was charting BAT a little bit, since we already had like 2 trades on it. They went very well for us, so why not continue on the action, right? And the thing is, I was charting it up, and then I saw that BTC sort of started pumping, right? So now my pre-guess is that since this is a USDT contract, it's gonna take a little while for this to get filled, right? But due to our new sheet system, I will still make a video on this trade and perhaps maybe do another one later on if this trade doesn't get filled and it bounces somewhere else. I will use a little bit smaller time frames to enter this trade, on a small time frame with the small stop loss and everything. Depends if the anything forms. And I was looking at it, and it's like 13 to 14% away from the whole fill spot, right? Or basically, yeah. So now it's probably gonna take a while, right? So it's gonna take a while until BTC drops. Now, how far will BTC pump before it drops? Well, it sort of has a place. It can go all the way up to 9.5 to 9.6 now before it drops. So this could take some considerable amount of time to get filled, right? Because well, some of the things that can happen, right? BAT can now push up here, right, and probably retest this area again. While it will be like crucial for it to break out to continue with the bullish transaction, but if it doesn't break out, then it's obviously going to reject from here, and then it's possibly going to bounce here again. This time with just a little reaction to probably maximum here before it finally breaks down. And then the question of this is, will it get skipped? Depends on how brutally brutal BTC drop will be, right? If it's going to be too brutal, it's going to go all the way down here and get filled immediately, right? So yes, sort of speaking, it can take a month, it can take 2 months, right? Or it can basically take a week, right? So we don't really know about the timeline, so I'm gonna call this one out, follow it as into the as a July trade, and then if there's a sun setup before July or before the end of July on BAT, then I will readjust it. But if there's no setups on July on this trade, then I will just cancel it and then reinstate it in August or something like that, right? So yeah guys, that will pretty much be it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.